The office staffer makes his first appearance at 8 a.m. He can be seen sitting for up to 8 hours in the same location with snacks close by. Casually dressed, friendly, and relatively independent, the office staffer can be found in cells of 5 to 10 other office staffers. Unaware of key features in Microsoft Teams and most other software, the office staffer leaves their chair to interrupt more knowledgeable office staffers in the hopes of disguising a social visit with the actual motive of learning to do their job. Quickly becoming satisfied with the new intelligence, the office staffer attempts to retain the newfound information, but forgets a key step. Frequent social gatherings are common, but do not always bear fruit, rather capturing the scorn of their supervisors. The tenacious office staffer builds other relationships to further diminish general office productivity. At this time, the paycheck writer intervenes with productivity strategies called clip training, an easy-to-understand, professionally designed library of short video clips to lend an indefinite knowledge base to the office staff. For a more complete story on clip training, why not contact the Canadian Clip Training Agent at SolutionsIT?